Hey, how you doing? Scotty back with another video. This video talking about being nomadic with children. I did run across some nomads with children's various ages. I can't really pinpoint exactly, but 8, 10, 12 maybe, somewhere in there. Um, I think it's relatively easy to do. I think there's some pretty good opportunities for children that are nomadic. The first that come to mind would be languages. For example, Mexico. Mexico is a pretty good example. Picking up Spanish is hugely valuable. So I think having that type of opportunity is very valuable for children. I think you'll find in most cases that if you are looking to become a nomad with a child, in the United States, for example, there is quite a few online courses that you can take, and I think they're readily available online overseas. That way you can, I guess, acquire your high school credentials locally in the United States. However, I don't even know how much that matters anymore. But places like Asian stuff, I think, are also similar to. I think Saigon would be another interesting place for you to consider. Also, the prospects of picking up Vietnamese, them being a young child, I think it is quite a bit easier for them to pick up languages in a more natural fashion. I also picked up Spanish. Again, I'm not sure how good I am. I'm sure I'm not wonderful, but I still picked up Spanish, and even from some general conversation and stuff that occurs while I'm in the United States, it's remarkable how much I do pick up and how much it does help me. That being said, I don't think it's undoable. I think from a child's perspective of being nomadic, I think it could have some interesting effects long term, especially in adulthood. I mean, I'm definitely affected from what happened to me in childhood, but also I think the effects are more amazing. Them getting to have experiences, seeing children in other countries having an appreciation for that lifestyle and for the culture and stuff like that, I think is a priceless experience. However, one could say that it'd be difficult for education and stuff like this, but I think from a next level education, I think it could be even a priceless education. So that being said, I hope this video helps. I hope it encourages you to look at this avenue. It's also going to depend on how much you plan on being nomadic in the sense where move around and stuff like that versus find a location that you want to hang out for a couple years. This is probably going to have most of the bearing on how the experience turns out. If you enjoyed this video, give a like up, give a thumbs up, ring the bell, whatever that is. Thanks for watching.